What's up, everyone? Today we have a another Briggs and Stratton, the newer ones that won't start, and apparently the owner says the dog got the pull cable. We'll have to replace that. That's probably going to be the majority of this video because I'm not going to show the carb cleaning, which this is going to need. Which I'll just explain it, because if you want to watch it, just click on pretty much any of my other videos. I do have to apologize for the noise in the background. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take this. I want to make sure it at least runs. So more or less what you do is you just take this off, take the carb out, take the little emulsion tube out with like a screwdriver, blow through it, make sure it's clean, and that's it. No ultrasonic cleaner, no carb cleaner, no nothing. It's literally a towel and an air compressor. So I'm going to do that. I don't know about the gas. What do you think about that? It's not bad. One thing I will say about this too is this type of engine does not like any type of aged fuel. Just new. It's very picky, let's just put it that way. I've cleaned carbs before and they will not work, but then you put brand new fresh gas in there and it will work. Even though the gas looked fine, it still wasn't working. So I'm going to go ahead and get that carb cleaned, and then we'll take off the top and I'll show you how to redo the line. So first things first, cut yourself a section. Come on, where's the other one? Of new line. It's going to take about 7 feet, 8 feet, probably more like 7. Now we're going to fully extend this out. We're going to shove something in here. There we go. That just keeps it from retracting. Pull out the old line. Because it has a knot, we're going to cut it. And throw that away, or keep it for a tie down, or whatever you want to do with it. Now it's better to toast the end of it, and it kind of seals it up. Where's a good spot here? Okay. Let's get you closer. So now you can see it went through there and then just kind of goes out. So now I'm going to, a lot easier when I don't have to hold the camera, but I'm just going to shove it through that hole and then we'll tie it down. Now that we're done with that, we're going to tie the end. So I just like doing this one. Go under and around and through. Just makes it a larger knot. That's not too hard to undo. There we go. Now we take our handle, sometimes with these it helps to push it through. the other side though. And then tie now that's tied. Pull that one through. Nice and tight. More likely than not, this is not going to retract all of it, just because some of it never goes in there anyway, because it's a lawnmower. Because the handle goes on the handle of the mower. But, you know, that's not a bad amount. So I'm going to install it and we'll see if it works. Everything's installed. Fresh gas. Oil looks practically new. The guy told me he bought it last year, which kind of sounds like it was right. It just was left outside. So we'll test one if like clean the carb well enough, and two if the recoil is still good. So let's give it a pull. Well, looks like I have to clean my floor again. But other than that, it looks like it's working. Okay, well if you pulled or broke your pull cord on this style of Briggs, follow these instructions and you'll be able to replace yours pretty easily. It only took like 3 minutes. They're just 3 5/16 and the whole thing just comes right off. So it's not that hard. Okay, well if you like what you see, definitely subscribe, put a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good night.